welcome back. Today we are going to discuss another interesting topic which will blow your mind. There are two things which should not be controlling you in your life. So be very careful if it is controlling you, and that will definitely stop your growth. And these two things are very dangerous if it's controlling you right now. Do you know what are those two things? The first thing is your past. The second is the people around you who does not let you grow. When these two things are actually controlling your life, and this is going to stop your growth for sure. You just have to learn from the path what you have come from, but never say that over the past I must have been better, or I would have worked better, or I would have done something better and now I'm regretting it. Please stop that. There is no time which has been wasted. Now you can take action and start working from today itself. And also with respect to the people who are not letting you grow, when they start pulling your legs or criticizing you, do not be controlled over their talks. Do not be controlled by such people. So ignore these two things, and if at all they are controlling your life, please stop it right away. Now, why am I saying this? There are people who say that I am unable to go and practice in front of my friends or colleagues or any people because they make fun out of me and they troll me, they pull my legs, they crack jokes, or they might even tease me. So in such way I get demotivated. So I'm going to give you one best tip where you can actually practice and improve at your home. Sounds interesting? If so, you as a person, when you are at your home, start practicing all the 5 ways which I'm going to tell now, so that you would be able to enhance your communication skills in front of the larger audience, and this will build confidence. Because our home is our first school. So you can start practicing and then get on to the field. So let's begin. The first way is you must talk to the plain wall. Find a plain wall and start talking continuously as much as possible. And when you find this activity, you get more of your concentration. Because when it's a plain background or the white wall, and you start talking and start explaining the things and go deeper into the topic, then you would be able to analyze that even it's a huge number of audience where I'm not able to concentrate on one particular person, then this activity of talking to the wall really helps. Because you will be able to see nobody in front of you, but still you are trying to say or convey your topic, and you are making the wall understand. That's how you are building your confidence on how long you can speak to any large number of audience. The second way is, while you are talking, record your speech. Just keep the recording and start your speech, and once it is done, go back to your recordings and start listening to them. When you listen to your own recordings, you will know like where you have went wrong and where you have excelled, or what was that spark which came out, like spontaneously it brought out your creativity and you were able to explain it so well. And you will also know where you have gone wrong with respect to how many pauses or how many similar words you have used again and again. So all these things you will get to know only when you start listening to your own recordings. And such way you can have the voice modulation, and you can also know the speed of your speech. The third thing is you must talk to the mirror. This is very effective. Now, why wall and next mirror? Both the ways it is one single person who is actually speaking, right? But when you speak to the mirror, you can analyze yourself as a person, how you are presenting to your audience. You can look at your body language, you can look at your facial expressions, and you can also look at your hand gestures and the body movements. So everything can be analyzed. So when you start practicing in front of the mirror, you can also build the confidence of eye contact, because you will be able to see yourself and then build a stronger eye contact, and that will gain lots and lots of confidence. The fourth tip is pull your family members, because they are your first audience. And when you pull your family members, that's when you will have the confidence of speaking to many people. I've seen many people, they are actually hesitating to speak to their own family members with respect to their passion, or if they have any speech, or if they wanted to deliver any content or whatsoever, they are hesitant because they have the different bonding. So you can practice this activity where you can pull along your family members and treat them as your audience. Ensure that you will react as if you do not know them. A small request to the family members who are actually there present: please encourage the person who is actually delivering this speech. Acknowledge them, applaud them, and also ask questions, make it interactive. And you too should behave as if you do not know about the speaker and you are listening to the speaker's speech for the very first time. So this way you will build a good rapport, and you will also know what sort of questions might arise and how you will be able to answer it to your audience. The fifth way is stop memorizing. When you get an event where you got to speak and people do a lot of research and take down notes, yes, that's fantastic and it really works. But never ever memorize things. Just memorizing and omitting in front of the people is not a speech. Make it interactive. You got to have a mutual communication. You have to engage your audience. You have to build the interest in your audience. So when you make it interactive, that's when your audience will be pulled towards you, and they also will be interested with respect to your topics too. So stop memorizing and start interacting. When you practice all these 5 ways, definitely you would be able to excel yourself in the communication. Start with everything and then see which works for you the best and focus on that particular way for a longer duration. And when you start working on it again and again, that's where you will be able to be more confident, and you are also enhancing your communication skills with a larger audience. If you find this video valuable, start practicing right now. Do share your comments on the experience or the changes what you felt. And do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get the regular notifications on my every upcoming insightful videos. Catch you in the next interesting topic. Hamsa signing off. Take care. God bless.